So we're going to be unboxing the MVX2U digital audio interface. And just in case you're wondering, I'm actually using this right now through the magic of editing. So let me know in the comments what you think and if this sounds really, really good. So Shure is one of the best companies out there. I'm going to talk more about all the features, but this is the unboxing, so let's go. So we have the manual there, the quick start guide. We also have another manual that comes with instructions in different languages. So let's see what's inside the box. So it actually comes with the USB-C cord, which is an absolute game changer, and I'll talk more about this in just a second. Just plug in directly into the interface and you can plug that into your desktop. And then here comes the actual MVX2U. There she is. Voila. Let's take her out of the packaging, and that is her. Again, I am actually using this right now with my condenser mic, so I really, really appreciate it. I'll talk more about the features in just a second. There you can see some of the cool aspects to this awesome digital interface. A dream come true, really, for us podcasters, live streamers, and content creators who maybe are not the most technically sound, but I'll get more into that right now. So our lives just got a lot easier. Content creators, live streamers, podcasters. With this amazing USB-C to digital interface, you can take your XLR high quality premium professional microphones and you can essentially plug them right into your Mac, right into your desktop with a simple USB, which is included, by the way, a USB connection. I want to show you, look at how cool that is. So you've got your USB connection right here. You also have your headphone jack, so you can actually monitor your sound with your headphone when you plug it in to your XLR condenser mic. Here's the USB-C right here. It plugs in simply like that. You guys, this is an easy, no hassle, headache-free solution so you can get that buttery, smooth, high premium audio quality with your content, your live streams, your podcasts, your video podcasts. I mean, it just is everything that we've always wanted. And Shure, which is probably the emblematic brand when it comes to, they personify high quality audio sound in the industry. They're one of the most respected and recognized names in the industry. They've done it. It's absolutely simple. It's absolutely convenient. It's easy. It includes an integrated preamp of 60 dB gain control, which basically means you have that high audio, beautiful quality sound without all the hassle, without all the technical hullabaloo. No more messing around with all this hardware. Zero latency monitoring, which means no delay. What you hear is what you get. The input and output are completely synchronous. Live streamers, this is a dream come true for live streamers and podcasters. 48V phantom power. If you're using a condenser mic, no problem at all. This has everything you need. The desktop app, you never need to worry about, are you missing out on the latest updates, on the latest firmware features and additions? It's all there with the Shure Pro desktop app. I'm just totally amazed. I'm totally relieved. I think this is the perfect solution. It's easy, it's convenient, it's right out of the box, it's plug and play. Take your audio sound to the next level without all of the hassle, without all the stress, without all the technical, wherewithal. It's just absolutely perfect.